CME just announced a brand new tier of futures contracts, and they're smaller than anything retail traders have had access to before. They're called E-Nanos. They launch on August 24th, pending regulatory review. This is 1/10 the size of the micro contracts you're already probably trading. And there's a detail in the spec sheet that almost every video about this is going to skip, and one that completely changes who these are actually good for. In under 5 minutes, here's what they are, here's the catch, and here's whether you should care. Quick context, because the sizing is the whole point. E-Mini, the standard contract, E-Mini NASDAQ, one tick is $5. Micro E-Mini launched in 2019 at 1/10 the size. Micro NASDAQ, one tick is 50 cents. This is the tier that made futures accessible to normal people like you and I. The E-Nano is 1/10 of the micro, or 1/100th of the E-Mini. 4 contracts at launch: the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, Russell, and the Dow. The symbols should be NES, NNQ, N2K, and NDOW. Same indexes you already watched, same 23-hour session, Sunday 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through Friday at 5 p.m. with the usual maintenance break, cash settled, quarterly cycles, same circuit breakers as the micros, nothing is different. Just a smaller contract. Here's the NASDAQ side by side, since that's probably what most of you are trading. And here's the rest of the lineup. A 10-point move on the NASDAQ, $200 on the E-Mini, $20 on the micro, and $2 on the Nano. That's real accessibility. But look at the tick size row again, because that's where this gets interesting. The tick increments are doubled on the Nano. That's straight from the CME spec sheet. Micro NASDAQ moves in quarter point ticks. The Nano moves in half point ticks. Same on the S&P. Micro is a quarter point, Nano is a half. So a nano isn't just a micro divided by 10, you get half the price resolution. 4 price levels per index point on the micro, 2 on the Nano. Your stops and targets can only sit on half point increments. If you're scalping tight, that's a real constraint on your positions. And it's not the big one. The big one is the commissions. Your broker charges you per contract that you open up on a position. That fee does not shrink because the contract did. Run the math real fast with me. Say your all-in round turn is $1 per contract on commissions. On a micro NASDAQ, a tick is 50 cents. So you would need 2 ticks to cover that cost. Half an index point. That's pretty easy. On an E-Nano NASDAQ, a tick is only 10 cents. You would need 10 ticks to cover that same dollar of commission. 5 full index points. Same commission, 10 times the move required just to break even on that trade to not get crushed by commissions. This isn't a flaw in the design, it's just simple math you need to be exposed to. And if your exposure drops by 90% and your cost per trade doesn't, cost becomes a much bigger share of every trade you take, and it's something you need to be aware of. Here's one more thing from the fee page worth knowing. The CME confirmed the E-Nano volume does not count toward their volume-based fee discounts. So the usual path of trading more to earn cheaper fees does not apply with the Nano. Before you trade one of these, pull up your broker's commission schedule and divide it by 10 cents. That number is how many ticks you'd have to win before you've even made $1. Here's my honest read on these new Nano contracts. Where Nanos make real sense is position sizing precision. You can now scale in and out in much finer increments. If you're trading 2 micros and you want a partial profit on a third of it, you couldn't before. Now you can, because Nanos offset against micros at 10-1 and against E-Minis at 100-1. Learning with real money at genuinely small risks, there's a real difference between sim and live, even at $2 a trade. Nanos let you feel that without it mattering. Wider target strategies on a small account. If your setups target 20 or 30 index points, commissions drag is a rounding error and a small size is pure upside. Here's where I'd be careful. If you're a tight scalper type trader, if you're working 3 to 5 points targets, double ticks plus commission, drag will eat you up. The micro is probably your better tool then. Assuming smaller equals safer, and it actually doesn't when you do the math. 10 nanos is 1 micro. The account blows up the same way, it just takes more clicks to get there. 3 things before you go looking for these. 1, they're not live yet. August 24th, pending regulatory review is when they should go live. Anyone telling you to trade them right now hasn't read the announcement. 2, day 1 liquidity is unproven. New contracts start thin. Wide spreads on a 10-cent tick can cost you more than commission does. Watch the volume for a few weeks before you commit to them. 3. Check your platform. Robinhood and NinjaTrader are backing the launch. Your broker may or may not list them on day one, and prop firms almost certainly won't offer them immediately. Those take time to add new products. You just watched me put numbers on the screen for 5 straight minutes. Multipliers, tick sizes, break-even math, all of that is public information. It's on the CME's website right now, free, and nobody should be charging you for it. But here's what having the numbers doesn't give you, whether any of it applies to you. Should you be trading nanos or micros? It depends on your stop distance, your commission rate, and how you actually take trades. And if you're learning alone, you have no way to answer that. So you guess. Then you place 40 trades, finding out the guess was wrong, and you don't even know that's what happened. So that's what my Discord is for. When these nano contracts launch on August 24th and you're in my Discord, I can personally walk you through and explain why these should or shouldn't be something you consider trading in real time. Sunday, we go through the week ahead with our live weekly outlook calls. Monday to Friday, I trade the New York session live with you. And any day you can post your trades and get a second set of eyes on your process, or just ask a simple question. I don't post signals. I'm not telling anyone what to buy. If that's what you want, this isn't it. This is a paid opportunity. The link is in the description. You can absolutely work this out on your own for free. You'll just spend a lot of trades learning what somebody could have told you in 5 minutes. If you're brand new to any of this, I've got a full what is the futures trading video that covers contracts, ticks, and margins from zero. Link is on the screen. I'll be watching the nano volume after launch, and I'll report back on whether the liquidity is actually there and if they're worth trading with. Subscribe if you think that's something useful. See you in the next video.